Welcome to Organized House Ideas, where smart design meets cozy living. Today, we're diving into 6 genius IKEA hacks that'll help you save space and transform even the tiniest rooms into organized sanctuaries. Let's get started. Hack 1. Use the RASKOG cart as a rolling organizer. No matter how small your space is, the RASKOG utility cart fits just right. Roll it into the kitchen, bathroom, or beside your desk. It's perfect for storing makeup, snacks, office supplies, or even craft tools. Bonus tip: add some small containers to keep items sorted by category. Hack 2. Maximize vertical space with the Muslanda ledge. Think picture ledges are just for art? Think again. The Muslanda shelf is perfect for spices in the kitchen, toiletries in the bathroom, or books in the bedroom. Install them vertically on narrow walls to create your own custom storage zone. Hack 3. Turn a TRONES shoe cabinet into a hidden command center. These slim cabinets are made for shoes, but who says that's all they can hold? Mount TRONES in your entryway and stash away keys, mail, or even cleaning supplies. They're sleek, modern, and practically disappear into the wall. Hack 4. Add scub boxes for closet zen. Clothes chaos? Say hello to the scub box set. Use them inside drawers or shelves to sort socks, underwear, scarves, and more. It's the simplest way to make your wardrobe look like a boutique. Hack 5. Use Beckham spice racks in unexpected places. These affordable wood spice racks are DIY gold. Mount them in the nursery to hold baby books, in your closet for jewelry, or even in the bathroom for skincare. Paint them to match your space and voila, custom storage with charm. Hack 6. Double your storage with a Brims bed frame. This one's a game changer. The Brims bed has built-in drawers that can replace an entire dresser. Store off-season clothes, extra bedding, or even your kids' toys, all tucked away neatly under your bed.